I'm going to show you how to make a very simple Thai-style chicken. It's surprisingly lemony and easy to make. Start by marinating the chicken. Remove the skin from 1 pound of chicken thighs. Cut them into chunks of about 1 inch thick. Put them in a mixing bowl. Crush 1 lemongrass to release its flavor. Finely slice the thick part of the stem, the one that is the most fragrant. Cut the green part in two. Put the minced part with the chicken. Add the zest of a lime. The meat will have an intense lemony flavor. Season with 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, half tablespoon of fish sauce, half tablespoon of light soy sauce. Also add half tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Combine and keep aside. Cut into pieces 1 onion, half bell pepper, 2 hot chilies or mini peppers. Roughly chop 4 cloves of garlic. Prepare 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Also prepare some basil leaves. If you don't have Thai basil, you can use common basil. Heat the pan over high heat. When it is hot, add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, add the marinated chicken pieces. Spread them well. Add the 2 pieces of lemongrass and let sear for 2 minutes. Flip them over. And leave for another 2 minutes. Add the garlic and onion. Stir for 30 seconds. Add the 1 tablespoon of sugar, the lime juice, and 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Stir for 1 minute. Add the pepper and chillis. Stir for 1 minute. Put the basil leaves. Briefly stir and turn off the heat. The Thai-style sweet and sour chicken is ready. Enjoy with jasmine rice, cucumber, and a very Thai spice dipping sauce made with fish sauce, lemon juice, and chili. Bon appétit! The lemony taste is intense, thanks to the lime zest and lemongrass. The dish gives a typically Thai balance of sweet, salty, and sour. Try it with basil chilies like in Thailand. Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish.